Every people in this world have different emotions in their life. Some are going to good emotions, some are going to bad emotions. Recently I was in one of the mastermind where I have learned there are two main kind of emotions. One is healthy and another is unhealthy. So directly jumping into it, before that, I am Mahavir Bhatt. I am here to serve the people for their mindset, and along with that, I am a numerologist. So coming to the point, the two emotions are there. One is healthy and another is unhealthy emotions. So let's start with unhealthy emotions. Unhealthy emotions are kind of emotions that indulge you in depressions, stress, anxiety. Sometimes it starts with drinking, smoking, and all other stuffs. Whereas healthy emotions are when you are feeling happy, when you're feeling satisfied, when you are in your joyful moment. Along with this, you feel gratitude to things you have. These are the healthy emotions. As everyone know what is emotions. Emotions are just energy in motions. The energy you put in your motion along with a healthy one or unhealthy one will give you the path. Now, how to deal with these emotions? Yes, dealing with this emotion is very crucial for every one of us, because when you are in healthy emotions, you make some decisions which are not in your favor, and when you are in unhealthy emotions, and that time you make the decisions that are also in not your favor. So how to deal with the emotions? Here I have the 3A systems. Yeah, it's 3A system. When you know this 3A system, you can indulge every emotions with very effective manner. And the 3A systems are: number 1, awareness. It's kind of being aware for every emotions, be it healthy or unhealthy. So how can you be aware for each and every emotions that emerge within you? It is kind of being present in the moment, or being present during the time of emotion emerges. When you emotions emerges, your mind gives some of the intentions that this emotions are emerging. It's not easy to know that. Somehow with daily practice and with your daily efforts, you can make it easy. And the next is acceptance. When you accept all your emotions that are emerging, you will get the clarity what to do further. Yes, it's easy. When you accept your emotions, you know that yes, if good emotions are emerging or bad emotions are emerging, you know what to know, and you know where to deal it. And the last step is action. Yes, whichever emotions are emerging, healthy emotions or unhealthy emotions, for both the emotion you need to take the efforts or necessary actions, so that it doesn't go in vain. If unhealthy emotions are emerging, you know what necessary actions you need to take so that you can make it impactful. And same way, when your healthy emotions are emerging, what necessary actions you can take so that your that healthy emotions don't go in vain. This is how you need to do it. It is not easy that all three A's will come to effortlessly. Yeah, it will take time, it will take your daily efforts, it will take your daily consistency to follow this 3A system. When you follow this 3A system, you will see changes in yourself, like I have seen in myself.